Welcome to Let's Learn Kids. Solo with 2 toddlers? Top 7 travel hacks you can't miss. 1. The carry-on chaos. Pack a dedicated bag with snacks, small toys and change of clothes. Do double-check it before leaving. Don't assume you remembered everything. Toddlers are unpredictable. 2. Seatbelt shenanigans. Use child harnesses or seatbelts designed for toddlers. Do have a favorite toy to distract them. Don't forget to secure them properly. Flight turbulence is not the time for a loose toddler. 3. The great packing puzzle. Use packing cubes and compress your belongings. Do plan your packing list in advance. Don't leave packing until the last minute. You'll stress and forget essentials. 4. Entertainment overload. Bring a mix of new and favourite songs, stories and games. Do rotate activities to keep attention. Don't rely solely on screens. Toddlers love variety. 5E. The bathroom break marathon. Carry a portable potty seat or wipes for quick bathroom trips. Do schedule bathroom breaks every hour. Don't ignore signs of needing to go. Accidents happen fast. 6. Sleep. What sleep? Create a portable sleep space with familiar blankets or stuffed animals. Do stick to a loose routine. Don't expect them to sleep through the night. Be prepared for interruptions. 7. The unexpected adventure. Keep a sense of humour and be flexible. Do carry extra patience and snacks. Don't get upset if plans go awry. Sometimes the messiest moments make the best stories. Remember, preparation and a positive attitude are your best tools for turning chaos into fun. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about surviving the toddler trip. 7 must-know hacks for single adults.
It has arrived.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.